welcome back to my channel where we are on the journey of 21 days makeup challenge, and it is the day 4. So we are on the day 4. We had a very long journey, so it was like very fantastic giving the knowledge to you guys. Maybe even you are getting the knowledge and enjoying it. So it is our day 4 in which we are going to learn practically what we are going to learn practically. We are going to learn that what kind of like character, if we use the orange character, what kind of like coverage we can give under the eyes, how can we just cover our dark circles, pigmentation and whatever it is, and how to give a flawless base on your face. Okay, we learned about that the orange color neutralizes the the blue color, and also the red color get neutralizes by green color. Everything we learned in-depth theory with a color correction. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. I'm Subia. I'm a makeup artist and also expert makeup coach. Here we are on the whole journey of 21 days challenge, where we are on the 4th day. So if you are new to my channel, then you can watch my last videos in which I have made a playlist called Makeup Stories by Subia. You'll get all the videos there from day 1 to day 4. You can watch all the videos, make a notes. It's a certification course. It's not a simple course, it is not a short course, it's a certification course. So if you want to know the details, just watch the video. I'll give that description also in the below link, that what kind of like details are there to claim the certificate, and what and all details are there. Each and everything will mention it below. Okay, now to start with, let's hurry up and start with the things, that what and all like the practically, if we apply the orange characters, what is the result that is going to happen. Okay, let's watch. Okay, to start with the today's video, you can see the pigmentation around here, here and here. So in last this one class, we learnt only the theory knowledge about how the color, one color cuts the another color, how one color neutralizes another color. Okay, we learnt about that. Now we'll see practically that how and all that work out. Okay, if we don't see practically, we'll not get that kind of like that much of knowledge. So I'm going to show you practically. One side I'll be showing the Pro Illegal concealer, which is like darker shade of orange color, and one will go with the the medium shade of the orange. Okay, I said you in the before video that if you have a pigmentation, you seems to be it will be like seen as it is in black color, but undertone of that will be in blue color. Okay, to hide that blue color, what we need a orange color. Okay, because orange is opposite if you go according to the color wheel. Okay, if you guys are new to my channel, you can watch my before videos so that you can understand much better. To start with, I'm using this Krylon Derma palette in the number D30. I have a one shade in the number D30. I'll take it with the help of a finger and I'll just place it here. Before doing this color correction, I have applied a moisturizer and a primer. What kind of moisturizer you have to apply, what kind of primer you have to apply, for what skin type you have to apply, I have like mentioned that before only, so I'm like not mentioning here. See, little bit only. If you have like more pigmentation here, go with the here also. See the difference now. See the difference now, how much it got hidden. If you want to build it little bit more, if your makeup is like little bit heavy, you can build it. See the coverage now. Now this was about the Derma palette, and let me take this Pro Elegant concealer and show you that it is little bit of like darker orange. You can use this, guys, but what happens in this is you can use it, but in this you need to give a little bit of heavy coverage if you want to cover your dark circles and pigmentation. For like regular use, this one, or like not kind of like heavy makeup, then you can't use this because it is a little bit of heavy coverage concealer on this, in which you need to give a heavy coverage. So I have like blended with the help of a finger only. I'll not blend it here, I'll blend it little bit here. I don't have pigmentation here. See, it is giving the little bit of orange tint, and this is not giving the orange tint. Okay, I have this around the mouth area also little bit of pigmentation. You don't have to blend it very hard, and you don't have to blend it very this one, like it should be like orange should neutralize that color. You should blend in such a way that the orange is like completely going, or it is going completely hiding. Okay, you shouldn't like do that in that way. You can like blend this one again with the help of the sponge also. No, I'll take the same color and I'll take this D30 and I'll just spread it all over here. See how softer effect this is giving. This is a little bit of what you see, the orange is medium orange, it is not dark orange. Okay, the step also, the technique also have said you guys, if you have like that concealer of Pro Elegant, to make it medium orange you can mix yellow color. You'll get the yellow color in Elegant also. And also the LA color for, with me I have like in the this one also, in the palette of this makeup studio also I have this yellow color. See, this yellow color little bit you can take and you can add. Okay, this was the color correction theory. I'll just put a base of a foundation on this and I'll show you that how exactly it works out, how exactly it looks and how exactly it works out. I'll show you the full demonstration. Now I can't show you because we haven't stepped to the foundation step. If we step to the foundation step, that what kind of foundation you should choose and what kind of undertones are there, and according to that how to choose the shade and all, we haven't learned that. Okay, in the next class we'll just complete that one step. When we will be going on building one and another step, then we'll just follow those steps. Now I'll complete my whole makeup and I'll then show you that what kind of effect this and what kind of effect this gives under the foundation. Okay, yeah, now you can see the look guys. I've completed my only foundation, compact, and applied the lipstick. That's it. I didn't apply anything apart from the, I didn't do any of the eye makeup also, nothing. Okay, see how the look got created. See my under eyes, see my under eyes how it got hided. You just compare this and this. It got hided more. I used the foundation 50 forever 52 foundation, which is HD coverage. If you don't use HD coverage, if you're using regular foundation like drugstore or whatever, and if you're doing color correction with orange collector, then you're doing like giving that foundation, it may not give you that effect. It may leave the orange color tint on your face. Only this can get hidden when you're using the HD kind of like products. Okay, see the coverage now, see the coverage here and see the coverage here. See how it got hidden. So this was the main color theory that you might have in your mind, that oh, I'm applying the orange corrector here and applying the foundation, why the orange is like not mixing with foundation? Because that is a color theory, because that cuts that blueness. It is like cutted by the redness. I have already said you, this is called the color theory. And also in the next class we'll learn about what are the undertones, what are the main undertones, and how to mix and match the foundation according to your skin type, and what are the different kinds of like skin, I mean the foundation, and everything we'll learn in our next video. Till that, stay tuned, stay connected. And also I have like created a playlist called Makeup Stories by Subia, in which you'll get from day 1 to all the dates which are like covered of the 21 days makeup challenge. You can go through that, you can take the whole advantage. And also if you guys want to join my WhatsApp group for the regular updates and all, I'll share my WhatsApp number also, and that you can DM. Only girls are allowed in this. Please make sure that only girls are getting like inside this WhatsApp group. And also we'll be meeting live once in a week on Sunday on our Instagram channel called Makeup Stories by Subia, where I'm not going to leave you guys here only. I'm not going to leave you guys here only, like just see and learn. If you have any doubts, you can come live in a week. I mean on the Sunday at 7 p.m. we'll be meeting. Then you can just ask your doubts. I'll be giving clarity on each and every doubt. So this is the golden opportunity. Don't miss it. Just make the notes, and also make sure to subscribe my channel, and also like, comment, and also show your love. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.